Imagine a future wherein humanity has it in its capabilities to re-engineer the planet we call home. From moving mountains to playing God with weather, the reshaping of the Earth might come off as just the plot from a sci-fi movie. Still, with technologies advancing in the realms of science and engineering, does such a possibility really exist? Let's have a look into the implications that re-engineering Earth offers, the possibilities, the benefits, and risks involved. First, to start with, Earth re-engineering implies the application of human ingenuity to change natural systems in this planet so as to serve us better. That is stabilizing the climate, creating more habitable land, and optimizing resources for a growing population. However revolutionary the idea seems, we are already doing some small-scale Earth re-engineering. Such activities include dam constructions, rivers diverted, artificial islands created. That is all part of modifying the natural system to benefit man. Geoengineering is one of the most ambitious ideas, large-scale interventions to combat climate change. For example, injecting aerosols into the stratosphere could cool the planet by reflecting sunlight back into space, just as volcanic eruptions do. Similarly, scientists have proposed fertilizing oceans with iron to boost algae growth, which absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. These projects, if successful, could help stabilize global temperatures and mitigate the worst effects of climate change. Re-engineering Earth could include terraforming regions currently uninhabitable. Advanced irrigation and soil enhancement techniques could create fertile lands from the dunes and sands of deserts. Floating cities on the seas can house millions of people, reducing pressure in an overcrowded land area. Artificial ecosystems in very extreme environments for humankind, like in the Arctic or deep underground, could change where and how humans live. Another area of re-engineering concerns the control of natural disasters. Cloud seeding technology, which will stimulate rainfall, is already in the testing stages in drought-prone areas. Future developments will enable us to weaken hurricanes, prevent earthquakes through underground stress management, or divert lava flows during volcanic eruptions. Such interventions would save countless lives and minimize losses in the economy. However, the re-engineering of Earth is not without its problems and risks. First and foremost, the environment is a complex system where small changes can have unpredictable consequences. For instance, while geoengineering methods such as solar radiation management might cool the planet, they may also disrupt weather patterns, leading to droughts or floods in other areas. Altering ecosystems might also harm biodiversity, wiping out species that play a critical role in maintaining ecological balance. There is also the ethical issue of who gets to wield such powerful technologies. If re-engineering projects benefit wealthy nations or corporations more than others, it could be seen as an effort to further entrench global inequalities. Who is accountable if something goes wrong with a project and causes harm? These are concerns that make global cooperation and strict regulations necessary for the greater good. Economically speaking, the financial cost of Earth re-engineering will be enormous and astronomical. Technology development and delivery would require much investment and coordinating efforts. Beyond that, even maintaining these technologies would be a lifelong expense placed on future generations. Despite these challenges, the idea of re-engineering Earth offers a glimpse into what humanity could achieve with innovation and determination. It presents an opportunity to address some of our greatest challenges: climate change, resource scarcity, and overpopulation, while pushing the boundaries of science and technology. This vision should be pursued with prudence, ambition balanced with responsibility. Any effort to re-engineer Earth should be sustainable, inclusive, and transparent. Public engagement and scientific consensus are required to ensure that such projects are in the best interests of humanity. Ultimately, re-engineering Earth is a double-edged sword. It holds immense potential to improve lives, but also carries significant risks. By approaching this frontier with care and wisdom, we can unlock possibilities that were once confined to the realm of imagination while safeguarding the planet for generations to come. And ultimately, it is not even whether we can re-engineer Earth, but whether we should, and if so, how responsibly. The answers to these questions will shape the future of humanity and the world we share.